Is there anything you couldn't do? Any kind of discipline?
Yeah, there's a million things I can do. But then you have ideas like pantheism, which postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention. Then you
every
have
part thereof is holy because it's part of the whole.
It's predicated on a sort of foreknowledge, a sort of foreknowing. Somewhere deep in your subconscious, you have a sort of precognitive, intuitive sense of knowing before an intuitive decision is made. With impulsivity,
Yeah, I was listening to an interesting story that someone was telling, and he was talking about just being on the bus and having this thought, or maybe it was a book that he was reading, and it spurred this notion in him that, and this was about synthesis in argument.
Yeah, from an analogical and metaphorical perspective. This all comes back to linguistics. So you have aggregating the figurative aspect of linguistic disparity, the cross-platforming of mutually exclusive domains, and the third book I started was called The Pervasiveness of Ambiguity in Semantics. Right, I mean down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.